Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to use the built-in scale on your Monsieur Cuisine Smart. Make sure you're in the mode selection button, in the mode selection basically, and then you can open the scale. But even if you're not in the mode selection, you could also open the scale by while being anywhere. You can click on the plus, then click on scale button, and now it will open the scale. Then you can place something in your Monsieur Cuisine, and it will start weighing it. You could also click on tare to set the current value to 0. And you could also that's the only thing that you can do with the scale. So that's how you can open it, and I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.